Yo, what's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Right off the hop, guys, we got to always make sure we remind you the daily intro
of the currency been adopted by human society. I can tell you exactly what's going to happen as the worst scenario or the must scenario. We're all going to die.
We're all going to die. Oh, we're all going to die. Crypto's being adopted. Oh, no. All right. What do we got? Let's hop into the Jasmy chart before we get into the comments, get into the chat. All right. What's going on? Boom. Check it out, guys. So it kind of cleaned up the chart a little bit here. Got a little bit of a falling wedge pattern starting to form on the, or bull pennant, whatever you want to call it, over on the daily time frame for Jasmy. And what did I say to you guys last night? What did I say? Well, I'm going to show you what I said because I was right. You know, a lot of people were upset last night and panicking. And I had said, listen up. This is what I said last night, guys. So we could be due for a bounce, especially with the negative news, potential negative news for tomorrow already priced in. I anticipate, guys, and I could be wrong, but I anticipate a very green second half of tomorrow. I think it's going to be a recovery day tomorrow. I think that the Fed is going to come out and it's going to be positive, and we're going to see the markets do a 180. Touchdown, right? I tell you guys, right? And I know most of you guys believe me, right? Most of you guys believe the alpha, but look, recovery day, just like I said, when everyone was panicking with blood, not everyone, but when some people were panicking with blood in the streets, I told you guys this was going to be all green tomorrow, right? Recovery day, boom. We nailed it, guys. That's what we do. All we do is win over here, right? So, absolutely, guys. Absolutely. All right. What do we got? So, yeah, Jasmy looking good. Hopefully, we break out of the falling wedge here, or the bull pennant, I mean. We'll see what happens. But, all right, let's get into the chat, guys. Of course, there's me right at the top. Make sure you smash the likes and sub to help the channel grow, guys. Be absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Keep it growing, keep it going. You guys know what it is. Okay, what else do we got? Fast Too Curious, what's going on, man? What's going on? Beebs, good afternoon. Beebs in the house. What's going on, man? We're all going to die. Absolutely, buddy. Thomas, good morning, my friend. By the way, guys, this is going to be a little bit of a shorter stream because I am going to be streaming Jerome Powell's speech there. So that's in about an hour. So I will be streaming that. So we're going to try to get through this quick enough so that we can have time to get that loaded up. So Balaklav, man, he will say rate cuts coming September and market will go boom. Absolutely. Kevin, what's up, buddy? Says Rob, the man that never sleeps and brings the alpha. Hope you're doing well today. I'm doing good, buddy. I feel good. I feel bullish, guys. I feel bullish. I knew it was going to be a green day. Only thing that's going to turn this day into a red day is if Powell comes out with some doom and gloom. And I really don't see, with CPI coming in lower than expected, I don't see him saying anything negative. I think it'll just be blah, blah, blah. We're going to keep rates paused. And maybe he'll imply or insinuate that we might see a rate cut in July, August, or September. Markets are going to respond in a positive way. Jasmy Tesla logo, Jasmy pump. Nice. Whatever. Tara, hey Rob and Jasmy family, arsehole might cut rates today, slim chance, but never know. Yeah, never know. I doubt it, but you never know. Liquidity, what's up, man? Good to see you. Appreciate you all. I appreciate you too, my friend. I appreciate you too. James, what's up, buddy? Good evening, Rob from Ireland. The sun is out. My portfolio is green. It's been a good day. Yes, guys. I'm going to head to the gym after Powell's speech, guys. Healthy body, healthy mind, healthy portfolio. Let's go, baby. I smell some rocket fuel. Yep, I smell it, DK. I smell it. Upcoming rate cuts make me bullish again. Yes. Zach, what's up, broski? Good to see you, man. Working that night shift. What it do, scam family? Fast too curious. Hey, Rob, check out the Chinese Pepe. Looks like it's going to rip, and Steph was the one who posted it. Should get in and get out. Not fun. Yeah, actually, good call, brother. Good call, because I actually got into that about 2 days ago. I think the day before yesterday. I picked up a nice little bag of it because I think it is due for a nice pump. So, but you're always dropping the good alpha, man. You're always dropping those great calls. Absolutely, man. Yeah, I got in on it. I'm waiting, brother. I'm waiting. Let's go. ET, what's up, Jasmy family? I heard this morning from a YouTuber channel called The Business Dad. He mentioned that there is speculation of Ripple partnership with Jasmy. How legit is that? Oh, I mean, speculation is never legit or illegitimate, right? It is just that. It's speculation. But I was going to cover it. I will get into it a little bit, so stay tuned for that. H. Barbarina in the house. What's going on? Let's make that money. Yes, absolutely, man. Let's make that freaking money. All right, what do we got? What's up, Rob and Crypto Ballers? Isaac, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Thomas, I got no more white powder left. Well, that might be good because we're heading to the upside by the looks of it. So I love that video. Yeah, we're all gonna die. Beebs, for all the XCN holders or soon to be Caesar gets crypto, has a pretty good TA video coming out on XCN. He gives his bearish and bullish predictions. And by the way, guys, for XCN, I spent quite a few hours last night. I did a 5-part video series breaking down the XCN Onyx coin white paper for you guys, okay? 5 video series, guys. Took me hours, okay? So that starts coming out tomorrow. The first installment comes out tomorrow. So breaking down the entire white paper for you guys, giving you guys all the transparency on whether it is connected to JP Morgan or not. All your questions will be answered on that series, guys. See, I bring you guys the alpha. You guys ask and I deliver, right? Took a long time to do, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys appreciate it. But I did a 5-video series breakdown on Onyx Coin XCN's white paper. Zach, Hara made a post 12 hours ago about upcoming AMA. Yeah, I've been watching that. I've been watching it. It comes out tomorrow at my time. It's like 5 a.m. So I'll probably live stream that AMA when I get up tomorrow. I'll just live stream the replay of it for you guys tomorrow. Stablecoin, did you catch that? Yep. Yeah, I'll be live streaming it, brother. Rob said to hold and people sold. Yes. But here's the thing though, Kevin, or Zach, sorry, also on that AMA, is that it might be in Japanese, right? Because Gate.io is a owed in the Asian country. I think it's in Japan. And, Hara obviously Japanese. So I don't know if it's going to be in English or not, but we'll see. Roderick, what's up, buddy? 8 months from now, we'll be financially freedom. Then repeat and catch more gains 2025. Yes. I bought some more Jasmy. I hold 340K. Can't wait to DCA out. Nice. Caught that dip, man. I hope a lot of you guys caught that dip. David, what's up, broski? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. The family's all here. We're not dead yet. It's a good sign. Tara, I tell you, and you no listen. Why you no listen? Hangman, go live on the FOMC meeting. I am going to stream it live, Kevin. I am going to stream it live. It starts in just under an hour. End of the year will begin financial freedom. Yes, it's cool how you speak phrases from songs in your live streams. Yeah, some people catch that, some people don't, right? Crypto Holmes, what's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Travis, how you doing, buddy? Have you heard of Jasmy's partnership with Euphoria? Let me look into it, man. Let me look into it. I've been covering a lot of Jasmy's partnerships, so it sounds Euphoria sounds familiar, but let me look into it. Forget about it. What's going on, man? What's going on? Liquidity. We called the Green Day, Rob. Yes, we did. Absolutely, man. Now we wait for Powell and about to see some more pump action. Yes. I really hope a lot of you guys bought the dip last night and made a nice little profit over the last 24 hours. That's what these dips are for, baby. That's what these dips are for, right? If he implies that he will cut rates in the future, that's good, right? Or else we're going to die. Correct. Absolutely correct. I'm in the gym right now. Nice. I'm going to be heading to the gym as soon as I'm finished the Powell live stream. Philip, what's up, my friend? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Business Dad doesn't do very good research. He still says he needs to hit 50 billion market cap for Jasmy to hit $1. Yeah. Well, yeah, see, I don't know who this guy is personally. I've never seen any of his videos. So what I will say, though, is that you have three types of research, or three types of YouTubers when it comes to content. You have TA people who strictly do TA and don't do any research on the companies, don't do any research on anything that's happening. You have people who only do research on what's going on with the company but don't do any TA, right? Kind of like Crypto John, for example, right? Doesn't know how to do TA, but does a lot of narratives, does a lot of storylines, news, updates, stuff like that. And that's good too, right? But then you have people like me who I do TA and I cover all the research, the news on what the company's doing. I do all of it, right? So there's three types. Those are the three types in my opinion. But yeah. Hope you're okay. I'm good, man. I'm feeling good. You know what? I got a lot of energy this morning. I'm feeling good. And it's weird because I had to go get blood taken this morning. Nothing like important. It's just, got a doctor's appointment. Just a regular checkup appointment coming up tomorrow because I'm 43. I'm turning 43 on Saturday. This Saturday, I'm turning 43. A couple days. So I have to do my every year. You know what it is. If you're 40 and you're a male, you know what it is. Got to go to the doctors every year, get checkup, get blood work, all that fun stuff. So yeah. But yeah, turning 43 in like 3 days, 2 or 3 days. Crazy. But I got a lot of energy though. Rob, this CEO thing with Onyx coin is bothering me. 2 different answers, like I said. Who it actually is? It's the CEO that you're talking about is connected to the JP Morgan one, the JP Morgan Onyx coin. I literally did a 5-video segment on the entire white paper last night. There is absolutely zero connection between JP Morgan and XCN. And I can't find the name of the CEO. Here's the thing. XCN is a completely decentralized platform, right? It's completely decentralized. It's run by governance, right? By voting. So there is no primary company. There's no front face, so to speak, that I can find, right? Like I said, I did a full breakdown of the entire white paper last night in a 5-video segment for you guys. I can't wait to see it. XCN, absolutely, man. Did anyone catch that photo of Hara giving a presentation with a PlayStation controller on the screen behind him? Just posted. That was in. I think that was in Vietnam, wasn't it? When he was in Vietnam last week or something. Philip just bought another 1 mil XCN, increased Swift to 1 mil, and bought CSIX. Nice. That's a win, brother. That is a win. Will, thanks, Rob. Hey, no problem, brother. No problem. XRP and Jasmy partnership. There's speculation. I am going to get into it. And actually, we don't have a whole ton of time. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to step away from the chat, and I'm going to cover some of the news so you guys are up to date on everything. Because we're streaming Powell's speech in about 50 minutes. So if you want to catch my attention, as always, guys, fire me over what your question is as a super chat, and I will jump right to it. And also click the join button, guys, or the link in the chat to become a member. All right, so let's get into some of the news that we have here. So here's the speculation about the Jasmy XRP. So we got Ripple. This is from Jasmy AI. Ripple Jasmy partnership. Speculation sparks bullish sentiment for new XRP Jasmy all-time highs. Ripple and Jasmy may partner up soon based on recent market moves. Ripple has launched a blockchain investment fund in Korea and Japan. Japan's most known blockchain project is Jasmy. Both XRP and Jasmy could moon. Jasmy enthusiasts are thrilled by the momentum of the token over the last few weeks. So let's go over to the article and see what the article has to say. From Crypto Newsland. So Ripple and Jasmy partnership speculation. Here we go. All right, so this was posted over by Dip Metaverse. Very, very bullish Dip Metaverse. Very good researcher. One of the top researchers when it comes to Jasmy, in my opinion. Says, in detail, a Jasmy enthusiast, Dip Metaverse, shares his thoughts on how Jasmy and Ripple partnership is inevitable. If it hasn't already begun. Specifically, he believes that Ripple will invest in Jasmy and that it will happen by the summer of 2025. His reasoning behind this is that Ripple just announced it having started a fund to invest in blockchain companies in Korea and Japan. More so, the fund will invest 1 billion XRP, $500 million accordingly. Jasmy CFO said South Korea and other Asian countries are a huge part of Jasmy's business. The post then highlights Japan's national strategy revolving around digital assets and how Japan has only a few known blockchain companies besides Jasmy, Astar, and Sorimitsu have been recognized. More importantly, Ripple already has a partnership with SBI Japan, which is another one of Jasmy's partners, right? So they have a lot in common in terms of partnerships. What makes a partnership between Ripple and Jasmy more likely is that Japan has eased crypto laws allowing Japanese VCs to invest in blockchain companies. Ripple and SBI are already working together, and Jasmy already has a good relationship with SBI. Thus, in the eyes of the user, the next clear step for Ripple and Jasmy is to come together in collaboration. The post also mentions that the Winklevoss twins believe the bull run will come from the east this cycle, and I've said that many times over, guys. Perhaps this is the move that will finally trigger it and usher in an epic bull spike for both XRP and Jasmy. So, a lot of connections, guys, and I got to be honest with you, it does tend to make sense for Jasmy and Ripple to come together. I mean, if you could somehow implement the PDL and the security of the PDL into the XRP ledger, for example, right? Very, very good. They could do a million different things. You could do a million different things with these two technologies together, right? So the possibilities truly are endless. But yeah, we're going to stay on top of it, right? We will stay on top of the speculation, guys. All right, what do we got? Oh, we also have a new Jasmy perpetual futures listing over on Whitebit. So a new listing for Jasmy as well to start the day. Very, very bullish. Michael Vandepop says CPI data comes out. Core CPI month to month and year to year is lower than expected. CPI month to month and year to year lower than expected. The dollar and treasury yields are dropping significantly as the markets are expecting rate cuts to be happening. This could be the massive sign for altcoins and Bitcoin. Very, very big potential here, guys. Could be a great Powell meeting. Make sure you guys are here for the live stream. What have we got here? The Bitcoin of Japan has finally reached 72K holders, guys. 2K new holders in the past 12 days alone. Jasmy has gained 2,000 holders in the last 12 days. That's less than 2 months, guys. That is very, very bullish. Wallets are going up. Everything's looking good. Everything's positive. Top 15 coins by trending search on Binance. Boom, Jasmy right there, baby. One of the top trending searched coins on Binance. How pre-tell can you continue to keep it in the monitoring zone? I do not know. What do we got? Senator Cynthia Loomis says, the Biden administration and Gary Gensler unrelenting prosecution of Bitcoin and digital assets is pushing the industry overseas and causing America to fall behind. We are the global leader in financial innovation. Let's act like it and provide the industry a home. As you can see, following up a post by Coinbase, they say the number of cryptocurrency, blockchain, or Web3 initiatives announced by F100 companies hit a record high in Q1 2024. Very bullish, but the States is losing ground. What does Michael Vandepop have to say? The altcoin bottom could be in today, guys. It is a big event today as multiple macroeconomic events are happening. First, it will be CPI news, and later the FOMC meeting, the Fed interest rate decision to be made. They will have a huge impact on the markets. The markets have been correcting down as anticipation of these events usually has a negative relationship with the price action on the crypto markets, especially altcoins. On top of that, Roaring Kitties event and GameStop correction of last week didn't have a positive impact on the price action. Now, today, the turnaround might be taking place, just like the previous FOMC meetings saw the bottom on Wednesday, after which the markets were surging. In comparison, Bitcoin rallied by more than 10% after the previous FOMC event. Ethereum rallied by more than 20% after previous FOMC events. Both of them corrected by the same amount before the event. So repricing back upwards seems reasonable to expect. Let's discuss this in two events today. So we go into it, like I said, the CPI and the FOMC. We'll see what happens, guys. We're going to live stream it, so we don't need to go too far into that. We are 42 minutes away from Powell's speech, so try to continue to get through this. All right, so Steph's Crypto says Turbo will melt faces in the next weeks. Yes, I agree, guys. Very bullish on Turbo. One of my top picks in terms of meme coins for this bull run. Absolutely. Pomp says the leading presidential candidate has officially been orange-pilled on Bitcoin. We went from the government is going to ban it to the government will embrace it very fast. Trump tweets out, vote for Trump. Bitcoin Magazine may be our last line of defense against the CBDC. Biden hatred of Bitcoin only helps China, Russia, and radical communist left. We want all the remaining Bitcoin to be made in the U.S. It will help the energy be energy dominant. Yes, Trump getting on board with crypto, guys. You love to see it. You love to see it. What else do we got? Oh yes, a little bit of caution here, guys. As per, got to watch these rug pulls, guys. Another rug pull happened today. Spike on Solana. Here we go. I'm tired of these rug scam teams. I'm never trusting coordinated teams again. Just lost a crap ton of money because they hyped it up saying it was $1 billion coin. So I kept buying more and more, feeding into their scam. Can't trust no one in this space. I'm so done with it all. Guys, this is why we need regulations. This is why you need to be careful and not just be aping into all kinds of meme coins, because every day it's something like this. Every day there's some sort of rug like this, right? So be careful out there, guys. Be careful out there. All right, so over on the Bitcoin chart says, if I've got my wave count right, Jasmy might be close to starting its fifth leg, just bought the dip. So as we can see, guys, leg 1 was here, 2, 3, 4. We're just finishing up leg 4 on this correction. So shoot up the leg 5, according to him, would be 6 cents for 8. Very bullish target. Very bullish target. And then we've got the strong turbo community, guys, pushing for listings on Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin, Bybit, Uphold, Bitstamp. A lot of social push for this, guys, and it is only a matter of time, in my opinion, before Turbo gets these listings. Absolutely, man. What do we got here? GME has won. Here's Jim Cramer. They discuss why the bears retreated from the Redditors and retail traders' dumb money and where the meme mania goes from here. Check it out.
I was on Reddit. I go on Reddit, Wall Street Bets. Today they were featuring the turtle. And I do think that GameStop won here. The Bears are going to be in retreat because now Ryan Cohen, he has total control of the money, has $3 billion to play with. So what I think he would do, he never listens to me at all, or he throws me an ice cream cone or good humor, I don't know. But they now have the money to be able to write a check to any mall in the world. They do have 4,000 stores. They could get out of every lease, close every single GameStop by my take for a couple $1 billion and start over. And that's just unbelievable. So my hat is off to what they did in terms of being able to take advantage of the memes.
To refresh people, they were doing an at-the-market offering led by Jeffries. They've been selling every day for the company, raising money for the company. This, of course, as Jim pointed out, since the stock rose dramatically. Now, by the way, they did 45 million shares and raised almost $1 billion. Then they did another 75 million, which they've now completed raising, as you just said, about $2.1 billion. So you are talking about Jim, you asked me about Paramount. Is there anything you can remember that's similar to this? A company raising $3 billion? What percent of the market cap of this was this?
The company's is $10 billion. They have $3 billion. They have almost no debt. They have that
so they raised 30% of their market value.
The big issue was the leases
in cash.
He could right now write checks to whoever he has, Simon Properties, doesn't matter. Get out of he could pick the 3,000 bad GameStops. He could close them. He can then open another company. And this is no longer GameStop. This is SPAC. So Ryan Cohen SPAC. And this will be his chance to really demonstrate that he's a great business person and do Chewy too.
It's a great point. In many ways, you're right. It's like it's a blind pool of capital that he has control of now as the CEO of the company.
With no debt.
That was raised thanks to a gentleman named Roaring Kitty. Right. Who's virtually incomprehensible when I watched him on Friday.
Meantime, Jim, you talk about the Bears being in retreat. Citron says no longer short.
Yeah.
Says we respect the market's irrationality and calls that live stream an insult to capital markets.
An insult. Okay, so the other side of that is, if you're a Redditor like I am, it was funny.
Oh, you're a Redditor now, huh? Is that what you call yourself?
Well,
a Redditor like I am.
Okay, so my daughters are real Redditors, right? And I said something against Roaring Kitty. And I got
Dad, you don't get it.
Oh yeah, I mean, like, Dad, did you watch Dumb Money? Your friend David Faber's the star of Dumb Money. I bet you he thought that Roaring Kitty was funny. I said, no, I don't think he did. You were the star, though.
I didn't. I didn't find it funny. I didn't find it informative.
Well,
found it a waste of my time.
Did Gabe really hang up right before he was going to go on? No, in real.
No, it's come on. It's it's
fictionalized.
It's fictionalized.
Well, I think if you look,
it's in the realm of reality.
Kitty is the hero of that movie.
Yes, they made him the hero of that movie.
That's what we're all talking about.
They did make him the hero of that movie.
So if he wants to have a Heineken, is a Heineken?
He was the hero of that movie.
So like that's what's going on. People
they
don't
need,
understand.
in Hollywood, you need bad guys, good guys. So,
well, the rich people were the bad guys, and that's kind of where people are. I don't know.
Have you ever seen some haters try to cope harder in your life? Cope harder, boys. Cope harder. It was a bitch fest. Whining and whining and whining. Giga Bullish. M2 has turned positive for the first time in 17 months. M2 is the measure of money supply that includes cash, checking deposits, and non-cash assets. It's in simple terms, fresh liquidity is entering the market, which is bullish for crypto. Money's starting to come back in, guys. You'll love to see it. All right, so for all those calling Jasmy fake scam project, let me ask you something. Do you really think that Ondo, Sato, and Yoshida and Hara just made this project to scam the entire world? Someone like Ondo, at 82 years old, with a clean reputation in Japan and the entire world, would venture into creating Jasmy just to make you all lose money before he leaves this earth. Do you think he wants to be remembered for hurting a lot of people? Try to think about it. This man is a genius and is not taking and is not your average S-coin developer. Jasmy, for these people, is more than what we all think it is. I'm sure many of us will be there to reward the belief of supporting this amazing team. And here you see Ondo again on stage with Steve Jobs, guys. Scam my ass, right? So yeah. Liquidation alert, guys. $5.17 billion worth of shorts will get liquidated if Bitcoin hits a new all-time high. With CPI going down, it seems like rate cuts could happen sooner than expected. This will be the perfect setup for Bitcoin to make a new all-time high. It's coming, guys. It's coming. I keep saying it. I keep on keeping on. And as you can see right now, guys, Jasmy up 14.4% on the day. Swift up 16.7, guys. Did we call this or did we call this? Man, did we call it. Bitcoin just a hair under 70K. We'll see what happens with FOMC. What I'm predicting, guys, when Powell's speaking, I think we'll see a little bit of a pullback and then another run up a couple of hours later. That's what I'm anticipating to happen, right? So be careful if you're using leverage trading right now. And of course, finally, see, everything's turning right in the world again. Look at the Dixie. Look at her go. You love it. You love it, guys. That's what you want to see on the DXY. Bitcoin still got 55.58% dominance. Down 0.18% though on the day, so that's good news. What else do we got? So this is generally what happens after the FOMC meetings, guys, right? We had one here, boom, nice run. Had one here, boom, 19% run. Had another one here in May 2nd, yes. Boom, 26% run here. So here we are. How much are we going to run up after this one, guys? The last three meetings, like I said, January, 74% run. March, 19% run to the upside. May, 26% run to the upside. What will we get this time? Bullish, 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 guys. And if that didn't make you bullish enough, more adoption. Taunton firefighters became the 4th union in the U.S. to add Bitcoin on its balance sheets. Another union, guys, another pension fund throwing Bitcoin into the equation. And that means, in all likelihood, guys, since we're seeing such massive adoption,
or the must scenario, we're all gonna die.
We're all gonna die. Those firefighters, damn it. Oh, man. You can't write this stuff, guys. All right, so let's get back into the chat. How much time do we have before his live stream? We got half an hour. Okay, so let's hop into the chat, see what's going on here, guys. Brian, my man, the Rob Father, let's go. What's up, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. What do we got? Philip, also keep buying XRP when it drops below 50 cents. Crazy levels for long-term hold. Absolutely, man. XRP is a fantastic long-term hold. Enzo, hey, Rob. Have a nice day, brother. You too, brother. You too, man. You're a stand-up guy, Rob, especially since you do essentially every kind of research and still are realistic with the price targets. Hey, thank you very much, Liquidity. Thank you very much. It's a Mafori is a technology that uses the location of your veins in your finger as a password. I found it on Har's Twitter. I'm going to do a little bit of a deep dive into that, my friend. I'll also, you know what? I'll fire over a message to Jesse too. I'm going to see if Jesse wants to come on the stream this weekend, maybe this weekend. I'll see if he's busy. Rob, what is your opinion about H-bar? What is your opinion? I love XLM and I love H-bar. H-bar, again, has been doing fantastic things through this entire bear market. Collaborations out in Saudi Arabia. They've got a partnership with Algorand Foundation. They're sitting on a board with XRP Ledger, Algorand Foundation again, Constellation. They're doing a lot of good things, in my opinion. H-bar will do great. And, I mean, Stellar, Stellar's, no pun intended, but Stellar, right? I mean, Stellar's a fantastic project. Correlated, obviously, on the charts with XRP. So when XRP has its amazing run, then XLM will definitely run with it. So, David, Gemini gang, my B-day on the 20th. Nice, brother. Fist bump, birthday. What's up, man? You don't look a day over 60. Crypto's keeping you young. Thank you. 43. You're a mere pup. 58 this year. Nice. Yeah, I know. Body's been through a lot though. As a retired athlete, the body's taken a beating, right? So, can't wait for the XRP news. Rob, is Swift your target bag currently? My Swift bag's already full. So right now I'm focusing on XCN. I filled up my Swift bags last month. I got it where I wanted it. Zach says drop a like as well, guys. Yes, absolutely, guys. Smash that like, and also smash that subscribe button, guys. It'd be great to have you here. Have you join the family. You don't want to miss the latest and greatest, right? Lily, how are you? Sun is hot. What's going on, buddy? Nacho, Myro's pumping a lot. I got an average cost of 20 cents, and I have 20K tokens. Nice. Yeah, pretty much everything's pumping right now. Is Jasmy and XRP having a partnership? I covered that already. I don't know if you posted that question before I covered it. Probably, I would assume. Filling my bag with Swift and XCN. Nice. Good call, man. Good call. I don't care if Santa is the CEO of XCN. I've got 6 million coins. I'm still going to the moon with it. WF Capital, what's up, man? Good to see you. Hopefully Binance will take Jasmy out of the innovation zone next month. Yes. Yeah, we've only got about 2.5 weeks left, and then we can find out if Jasmy's getting taken out of the innovation zone. So X marks the spot. What's up, man? Tuesday night. I panicked so much. I bought a bag of Swift just because you talk about it so much, Rob. I'm so glad. Nice. Good timing, man. Good timing. Swift coin continues to hold strong. Yes. Swiftcoin was up like 38% last night. 38% or something like that. It was pumping like crazy. US. Kevin, I bought 100K Swift on the dip. Nice. Good pickup, man. Good pickup, brother. Good timing. Janka, hey, nice to see you again. What do you think? Will the Master Powell say after? I think he'll, like I said, I think that he'll just say rates are going to stay paused, but that's not the important part. The important part is whether he implies or insinuates in any way, shape, or form that they may possibly cut rates very, very soon, either July or September, something like that. That is what the market's going to respond to, right? Back above 4 cents. If Powell mentions cuts, maybe even get a BTC all-time high if he does. Absolutely, man. Jasmy's basically my bank account at this point. Big Watch Dude, what's up, man? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Shane, good morning. Good morning. AZ Marine, 10 cents next. Let's go, baby. Hell on Wheels, XRP is a boat anchor. Don't put it with Jasmy. I don't know. XRP's it's going to do well. It's going to do well. From what I understand, all banks in Japan must use XRP by 2025. XRP, Ripple, okay. Patrick, what's up, broski? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. 589 scam. XRP is the biggest liar. I hope Japanese are not stupid enough to give. What? First of all, XRP is not a thing. XRP, there is no company called XRP. XRP is a token. If you're referring to Ripple, then I don't know what they lied about. I would need a little bit more clarity on what they lied about, because I've been following the Ripple case. I mean, I've been part of the XRP army since before the lawsuit, and I have not seen a single lie that Ripple has said to anybody. So, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. People hit the like button for this wonderful channel. Yes, thank you so much, Enzo. Absolutely, man. Jasmy Tesla logo pumping. Yes, absolutely. I don't want Elon anywhere near Jasmy. I mean, I don't know, man. I wouldn't say it would be a bad thing if Jasmy's tech was implemented into the X platform. That would be fantastic. Ashley Wells, what's up, man? Good to see you. Good to see you. Micro Dip. Good morning, Rob and Jasmy family. That was a nice comeback. Absolutely, man. Hey, don't call it a comeback. We've been here for years, right? They had rate cuts in the EU, and from history, Fed and ECB. Yes, they also had them in Canada here too the other day. Like last week, they cut the rates in Canada by 25 basis points as well. So yeah, Ashley says, smash that like button, guys. Absolutely, absolutely. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. All right, guys. So essentially, guys, I covered the news for you. Powell is going live in 20 minutes. So I'm going to log off here. I'm going to reload the stream, and I'm going to be streaming Powell's speech here. So hopefully you guys come back for it, so I'm not just streaming to nobody. And yeah. So I will see you guys in about 20 minutes for the live stream of Powell's speech. Deuces, ooses. Thanks for coming out, guys. Thanks for being here. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, guys. Click the join button down below, or join the Patreon, guys. Support the channel. Help us grow, man. So I will see you guys in about 20 minutes.